Do other animals besides human beings sneeze?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, the Chihuahua in our house had repeated sneezing attacks. We finally took her to the veterinarian, who thought that maybe she was having allergy problems, so we gave her a very small dose of diphenhydramine Benadryl, and that seemed to stop it. So yeah, I think the dog has allergies. Also, whales and porpoises, dolphins sneeze, but since their breathing is a conscious event, they actually will come up to the surface to sneeze to clear stuff from their airways.